Welcome back, students. So we'll continue the lesson of that is our sense organs. Yes, in the first session already you learned. So about the sense organs, there are two you studied. That is, one is eyes and another one is ears. Already you know how to protect our eyes and how to protect our ear. Yes, so we already studied in that in the first session. Okay, today we will discuss about the next one, that is the next sense organ, that is nose. Okay, here the students, they can be given here. Get a flower or a leaf that has a good smell, rub it against your palm and keep it in your palm. So it is good to take a jasmine flower, tulsi, curry, or as eucalyptus, nilgiri, and leaves which are have a strong smell. Ask your friends to identify what is in your palm. Ask them to know how they can be identifying. Yes, see here, get a flower, it may be a leaf, or it may be a petal, okay, flower petals, so that has a good smell to take. Jasmine flower, how it is, see, so very good smell that is to take. Yes, so when it can be take and rub it your palm, so like you can be rub it your palm. So see, after your palm smell how it is, that what you can be rubbing, no, that smell only. It may be a flower or it may be a leaf. Yes, like tulsi, so how it comes to smell, it's a taking smell, that's a very good smell to see. So it's also very that is a medicine, that is also one of the medicine. Okay, so you can be take a smell that one, that's a very good smell. Okay, so like a flower, like that is jasmine and rose, tulsi, like leaves, like, yes, so these all are given. That nilgiri, that is a leaves here, that is a leaves, and curry leaves. Okay, so here see students, these all are coriander leaves, like vegetables, coriander leaves, how it's a smell, it's a very good smell to take. Yes, yes, these all are means these all are have a very strong smell. Yes, very strong smell we will be taken that one. Okay, so we will be identifying the smells. Okay, so we will be identifying the smells. So and when we will be take and rub on your palm, so we can identifying if it is that flower or leaves, it is not there, but we can be identifying the smell that we can be identifying. Okay, so the nose is a small, it means that smell, it can be the nose is helps to take smells. Yes, the nose smells everything. It may be a bad smell or it may be a good smell. It takes everything. Okay, and the nose is an essential organ of respiration. This is one of the essential organ. You know, that is one of that is that nose also is a sense organ. So it is a very essential sense organ. So you know that is we are respire through a nose only. Yes, so if we can't respire, how it means, so it become die. So that is one of the what it is essential organ. Which one? That nose is one of the essential organ for the because of respiration, to breathe. Okay, and so they can given here, make a list of 10 items that we can identify with by the smell. So what we can be given a 10 items, it may be a flowers or it may be a leaf. Okay, so I'll write here, see certain of the examples. Jasmine, it is one of the flower. Then next one, tulsi, this is one of the leaves. And nilgiri, so this is a leaves, and curry leaves. Then next one, perfumes, then lemon smell, then orange smell, that flower fruits. Okay, orange smell, milk, then meat and fish. So these all smells we can be finding. Yes, so when you are cooking your mom, so the smell, it can be enter to your nose. It means you can be finding, so a mom is cooking, like she is cooking Maggie, she is cooking noodles, like you will be tell that one. Okay, yes, so can you smell when you have a cold? try smelling. Yes, see, when you have cold, you can try to smell. That means, can you smelling in that time? Yes, we can't to smell, because what will happening? What will happening? Our nose is blocked, so we can't to take a smell. Okay. See here, they can be given here one of the activity. Identify whether the activities given in the picture are right or wrong. If it is wrong, write below the picture why it is wrong. Here, see students, some of the pictures they can be given here. The boy is keeping a, what it is, keeping a, that something particles, some particles. Okay, so keeping a particle he can be keeping in the nose. Yes, it is good or bad. Yes, so if it is good, we will be put a right mark. If it is bad, we will be put a wrong mark. Okay, so here see, this is a wrong. Okay, don't put any object into the nose. Okay, see, here see, a boy is cleaning his nose with a napkin. Yes, with a cloth. Okay, this is a good. Okay, and here see, this boy is keeping his finger into the nose. This is bad. Okay, and here see, a boy is keeping that, it means he is washing a nose through a what? So he is washing and cleaning. Okay, washing and cleaning a nose through a cloth. Okay, this is a good. We will be right here. Okay. Okay. Next one, see students. This all we will be study about the nose. Yes, how we can be protect our nose. So we will be finding the different smells, varieties of smell we will be finding, and how we can be protect our nose. Okay, we all we studied. Okay. Next, that is the next sense organs. Tongue. Yes, next one is tongue. Yes students, today there is something special in the midday meals. Yes, okay, in the school. Okay, midday meals, when you are in the school, it means, for example, they can be given here in the Ramesh school, something special in the midday meal. Okay, so there is paisa, lemon rice, chilli, bonda, bitter gourd gravy, etc. These all are there in the midday meal. Okay, in the school. So which of these items do you like most? Yes, so here see students, in your house your mom is doing different varieties of food items. Okay, so varieties of food items your mom is doing. So in those all food items, which you are favorite food, which is your favorite food? So you will tell, no, so I like too much this one, so I like so much. Yes, you are telling, no, like these all the food items they will be did in the school. So in these all food items, which is you are like, it is which is you like most and why? Okay, so write up the taste of these food items. Yes, we will be write the taste of these all the food items. Yes, so paisa, its the taste is how it tastes? Bitter? No? Yes, so it's a bitter smell. So bitter to taste? No. Are as spicy? No. Its a taste is, the payasa taste is sweet. Yes, so its a taste is sweet. Yes, lemon rice. Yes, so lemon rice. Yes, so lemon, you know that is. Yes, how it is to taste? It's a so. So its a taste is so. Okay, next one, bitter gourd gravy. Bitter gourd gravy. Yes, so how it's to taste? Bitter gourd, so it's a bitter. Yes, it's a bitter. Kahi kahi irutte. Sweet means here sweet irutte, sihi irutte. Then sour means huli irutte. Lemon, you know that is how it is, huli irutte. Then bitter means kahi irutte. Houda? Okay. Next one, chilli bonda. Chilli bonda. Yes, so how it's to taste here? So it's a spicy chilli. Chili are very spicy, no? So that is a chili bonda, means that is also very spicy. Khara. Yes. So these all food items we can be finding our tongue is. So it's our tongue is finding what it can be finding. So it can be find the sweet, sour, bitter and also spice. Okay. So next they can be given here. So how do you know the taste of these items? For what other functions do you use your tongue? Yes. So how do you finding? So how do you know that these all the food items taste of these all the food items? Okay. So what means for what other functions do in your tongue? So for again it means not only for these, for what purpose you will be using your tongue. Okay, see here, tongue is help us to taste food items. Yes, so it can be helping tasting of the food items. Okay, so tongue is pushes the food items towards the teeth to chew. Yes, so our tongue is pushes the food items to the teeth, so that teeth are helps to chew the food items, then it will be enter to inside the body. Yes, okay, the tongue is help us to speak. Yes, we can be help, it means that's we will be speak clearly, that words will be comes clearly, no, that the tongue is helps. See here, so I'll tell you means I will tell you, so appa, so it can be helps to us. Okay, so amma, so it can be helps. Yes, so textbook, how it's see, so that the tongue is helps to speak a clear words. Okay, and also see here, so try to speak without using your tongue. Yes, you can be try this, so without using, don't use that one, because you will be hold the tongue like it is, you can be hold and speak, how you will be speak. Okay, so then you will be, then after you will be tell me, so how it's the words are comes clearly or not. Okay, okay, so see students, some of the activities they can be given here. See, there are few sentences below, read them carefully and correct the wrong sentences and write them. They can be given here some of the sentences. Okay, so some of the sentences are right and some of the sentences are wrong. Okay, so if it is the wrong sentences are there, so we will be make right. Okay, see, when we brush our teeth every day, we should not clean our tongue with our fingers. This will prevent emission of foul smell, bad smell. Okay, so here see students, this is a wrong method. See here what they can given here, when we are brush our teeth every day, we should not clean our tongue. If we can't to clean that, if we are not clean that tongue, how it comes to smell? That is a foul smell, bad smell it comes. Yes, yes. So this sentence will be make correction. Okay, when we brush our teeth every day, we should clean our tongue with our tongue. This will help the prevent the emission of foul smell. Yes. Yes, if when we are brushing our teeth, in that time we will be clean, it means we will be wash our tongue. So if we can't wash our tongue, that is the smell how it comes, that is a foul smell. So when we are talking, so those are in front of us, they are, so tell it is, so how the smell it comes for her mouth. Yes, love. So that purpose we will, when we are cleaning or when we are brushing our teeth, in that time we will be clean our tongue with the fingers. Okay, so in the, if it is we clean our tongue with the fingers, the bad smell it can't enter. Okay, it means it cannot come. Okay, second one sentence, after taking food we should not wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. Yes, this is also wrong, because you know that is after taking food we wash our mouth, but here what they can given here, we should not wash our mouth. Yes, it's a wrong, no? Yes, see, that's a correction sentence is, after taking food we should wash our mouth. This will help us to keep the tongue and teeth clean. Yes, So the germs are, if it is germs are there, so it will affect it to the teeth. So that purpose we should, after eating a meal or after eating a food items, we will wash our what, teeth, okay, or else we will wash our mouth. So this is help us to keep our tongue and mouth, tongue and teeth clean. Okay. Okay. Third sentence. We should eat food items which are too hot or cold. This will help the tongue to taste it bitter. See here. We should eat a food items which is too hot or cold. This will help us the tongue to taste it is bitter. Yes, it's a correct. It is here. We should, it means not, sorry, it's the wrong here. We should not eat that one. Okay, so we should not eat food items which is too hot and which is too cold. So this is help us to tongue to taste it bitter. Okay, we should not eat the food items. Which type of food items? Too hot and too cold food items. Okay, yes. That is next one, fourth one. If you keep your sharp things in your mouth, tongue will not be wounded. You see? Are you tested this one? So if you are sharp things, it will be enter into the mouth or tongue, it will affected. Yes, it will become wounded. Yes. Okay, so if you keep your sharp things is your mouth, tongue will be wounded. Not will be wounded. Not this is a wound. Will be wounded because the things are very sharp. Yes. So those are so harm to our tongue. Yes. Okay. So these 4 points we can understanding which is right and which is wrong. Okay. So next one we are going as that is the last one. That is one of the last sense organ, that is skin. Yes, yes. Okay, see here. Mummy, it is paining, cried Tara. Tara is crying. So, mummy, it is paining. You are also know it means you will go to your mom and will be tell to your mom. So, mama, it means my leg is paining, my hand is paining. Like we are telling, no, like here, see. So, Tara is crying and she is telling mummy, so it is paining. So, everyone around was surprised. Tara pointed at Asha and said that she had pinched her. It means she had pinched her. She is pinching for me. So, it's a paining. She is tell. So, why did Tara experiences pain when Asha pinched her? Yes, somebody will touching you. You will suddenly you will turn. Yes, so who's touching me? Somebody will pinch to you, you will see, so like you will be tell because it's a paining. Yes, so suddenly we can experience that one, suddenly we will turn that side. We will feel like it is, how we will feel? Somebody touching, somebody pinching for me, like. So Asha is pinching to Tara. So that pinching, that part of the skin is it's a paining. So she is telling you more. So it's a paining like. Okay. Here see. How will you know that the food served to you is hot or cold? Yes. So how will you know when the food items your mom is cooked and keep on the table? Yes. So you will experience when the touch the lid, like okay, so we can call that one because it is a very hot. Suddenly we will be keep that, that's it. So commonly we will be take a lid and keep that one. It's not a cold. When we touch the things, we can feel hot or cold. Okay. Yes. So blindfold your eyes and start touching the things that you come across. Means you will be able to identify them. How were you able to identify? Yes, blinded are for our eyes and touching here. So when if it is hot is there, when near to the object or near to the things, we can feel the hot things. It means we can feel that one, that's a very hot. We can feel like near to that hot things. If it is we are going to near to the feel, can't, it means near to the hot thing, near to the cold things, we can feeling that one something. It means not feeling that one. So that's a cold. If it is hot, we can feel near to that. Okay. Yes. we can feel how to find out the cold or hot things. Yes, see, our entire body is covered with the skin. You see here, our entire body is covered with skin. Okay, so this skin is protect our body organs, inside body organs. Yes, so it can be protect from us, and this skin is helps to protect from cold, and this skin is helps to protect from heat. That means hot thing means hot. Okay, so this skin is very helpful for the protection of our body. Okay, we feel hot, cold, softness and hardness of things when they come in contact with the skin. We also experience and touch the pain, and also we can unsit me here is paining. We can, when we will be touch that one, so we will, it's a paining. So it's a very smooth, it's a very smooth, it's a very hard, it's a, see here we will tell that one. So it's a very hard. Okay, so I'll tell this one. So this handkerchief, so it's a smooth, you can feel that. Okay, so you can feel, and you will be tell it's a cold, hot, smooth and soft. Okay, yes. So here see students, some of the fill in the blanks they can be given here. Okay, I'll write here fill in the blanks. Yes, we take bath and keep our body dash. Yes, daily we will be bathing. Okay, so what purpose we will bath daily? Because of our body should maintain clean. Yes, first one is clean. Yes, so we take bath and keep our body clean. Daily we will bathing. Okay, so why we are bathing? Because our body we should maintain a cleanliness, so that purpose we will bath. Okay, and eating fruits and vegetables keep our skin, yes, dash. So daily we are eating vegetables and fruits, our body is, as our skin become healthy. Yes, our skin become healthy. Okay, okay, next one. Third one, if we don't keep our skin clean, we may get dash diseases. Yes, so if we don't keep our skin cleanliness, if we can't, it means if you do not bath daily, so how it will feel? So it will become, it means become as a skin diseases. The skin diseases will, we can get a skin diseases. Okay, see here, if we don't keep our skin clean, we may get a skin diseases. Okay, next one, taking oil bath once in a while will keep our skin soft. Yes, so whenever we are, it's in the date, it means in festival time, so you will be, it means put a oil and you will be put a massage, oil massage, and you will be bath in that time. See, so our body skin, it will become as soft. Yes, see, so you can do that one. So once you will do that, experience that. Okay, so we experience dash when a blade or any sharp object touch the skin. Yes, so when the sharp things, it may be a blade or it may be a sharp objects. So if it may be a knife, it can be touches the skin, how you feel? Paining that part. Yes, so that when we experience a pain when a blade or any sharp object touch the skin. Okay, yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Therefore these 5 organs are called as a sense organs. Okay, these all 5 organs we can call as a sense organs. So they can be given here one of the activity, observe the picture and match them with the suitable organs. Okay, here see some of the what it is pictures they can be given here. So what we will do, we will match ears. 2 ears students, this is a boy, shirt, flower, laddu and radio and newspaper is there. Okay, so now we will be matching. Yes, so newspaper, yes, so with the help of eye we will be read newspaper. Yes, so the radio we are listening with the help of ear. Okay, yes, that is a lard we are eating. Yes, with the help of we will eat mouth to using of tongue. Okay, yes. The skin, we wear the shirt, okay, to close our skin. Yes, so we take a smell of flower. Yes, we take a smell of flower. Okay, understood this one? Yes, this activity. Draw a simple line drawing the sense organs in your notebook and read the posters about the sense organs when you go to the hospital. Okay, see here. Next one, they can be given here. See, there are few people who are not able to see and hear. They may need a special facilities. Do not tease them and show compassion. Yes, so who are blind, who are deaf, okay, so who are not able to see, who are not able to hear the sound, so we do not tease them, because so those are losing their eyes and ears. So we will help them whenever the blinded person is crossing a road. So we will be help, so we will be take his hands. The foot means we will hold his hand and we will cross the road. So that is one of the help to give us. Yes, so don't tease them, so we will be help them. Okay, understood? Yes, so students, I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, that is our sense organs. I hope you understood all the sense organs functions and how to protect our sense organs. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue, that is the new chapter. Okay, thank you for watching.